In this video, I'll show you how to manage access in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to choose the second option, which is projects. Now, once you click on projects, you will see the overview of all of your projects. From here, you want to head over to the project wherein you want to manage access to. I want to do this on my first project, so just simply select a project. That will take you to the project overview. From here, head over to the top bar. On the right hand side, click on share. And once you click on share at the bottom, you want to set this as an admin space. When you set this as an admin space, you will see all of your collaborators. And on the right hand side, you will see their roles. Now, let's say you want to change a role. So on the right hand side, simply click on the drop down beside the collaborator. And at the bottom, you can change them to be a project admin, editor, commenter, or viewer. Now, on an individual collaborator, on the right-hand side, you can even remove them from this project if that is something that you want to apply. Now, if you have an editor and a project admin and you set this as private, they will still have access. And the reason for this is that editors and project admins still have access to private projects. Now, at the bottom, you can also manage a project that is connected to the portfolio. So on the right-hand side, if you click on Manage Access, from here, you can set it as a shared access or a not shared access for the portfolio members. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.